In this video I will show you how to use Skool. Okay, so as you can see that I inside the members area of Skool, I'm gonna give you my honest tutorial on how to use Skool the right way, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get access to Skool, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to use Skool for 14 days free trial, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to be able to get access to create your own free account on Skool. Okay, so what you can do here, guys, is you can see that okay, this is one of the drop that I am involved in. So what you can see here under community, so this is whereby that under community is your members, they're gonna able to engage to each other, they're gonna able to introduce themselves, they're gonna able to share the wins that they have on your course. Okay, as you can see that you can able as well, you can able to write anything that you want to write here on Skool. Okay, you can able to embed some videos, some YouTube videos, you can also embed some links, you can also put some files, okay, maybe some photos, all of those things. Okay, you can post it here on Skool. Okay, and also your members, as I said earlier on to you, on your community, they can able to share the wins that they have on your Skool community. So what I like about this feature is that when your members, they are sharing their wins on your course, guys, they are sharing their results, meaning that it's gonna motivate other members, okay, to keep watching your course and also to keep taking actions, guys, because it is very, very important that your members, they have to take actions in order to get the results that they want, guys. Okay, and also this feature, guys, alone is going to help you to save you a lot in terms of refund. You're going to have a low refund because when members, they see that there are other members on your community that they are sharing positive results, is going to help them not to request the refunds, guys. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, and also when you click here to classroom, and a classroom, this is whereby that your members, they're going to be able to watch the videos, they're able to watch your courses, guys. Okay, when you click here to open, so when you click here to open, what's going to happen now is gonna be able to your members to watch all of these tutorial videos, guys. Okay, at the end, guys, you can also put some links here, you can also attach some links here that you can use actually, guys. Okay, you're gonna go back here, and when they're done here, they're gonna click here to open this course. Okay, to go to the next step, all of these things, guys. Okay, and also what you can do here, you can also click here to calendar. So under calendar, this is whereby that you're gonna able to do some live events, maybe some one-on-one calls. Okay, you can do all of those things here under calendar, guys. Okay, and the members, this is whereby and the members is gonna showing you all of the members that you have on Skool community, guys. Okay, so on the leaderboards, what I like about leaderboard is that the higher the person is, the higher this person can get some incentive. Maybe if they reach up to level 9, okay, you can give them some incentives. Maybe you can do some one-on-one calls. Okay, the way that this person, they get points. Okay, they get points every time that they comment here, every time that they post on Skool community, the member is going to able to get some points. Okay, each and every point they get, they're gonna move up to the next level. Okay, they're able to move up to the next level, guys. Okay, so it is very, very important that you keep you keep your course, you keep your members so it is important, guys, that you talk to your members. Okay, to be engaged on your community, so that let's say that your members, they are sharing their wins. Okay, they are sharing their wins. Okay, when you click here to community, and then they are sharing their wins. Okay, and also they comment to each other's post. Okay, these things, guys, not only it helps members to get points, but it helps your course, guys. Okay, and not to get refunds. Okay, because other new members, they're gonna see that okay, this is working for other people, is gonna also work for them. Okay, and also you can as I said earlier on to you, that under leaderboards you can able to give some incentive. Maybe you can say, if you're on level 9, I'm gonna give you on one-on-one call, guys, okay? And members, they're gonna do that, guys, okay? They're gonna keep engaging, guys, okay? As you can see that you're able to see who's the most active in the last 7 days on your course, guys, okay? As you can see, this is the number 2, and also in the last 30 days this is the person, in the last 90 days in all time this is the person. So you can see all of those things here, guys, okay? It is very, very important that you have all of these, okay? When I go back here, let me just go back here. When I click here to community, so under community you can able to see here, guys, I hope you see this. You can able to see the total members that you have on your community. Mine is 7,000 members. You can also see the online members that you are in, only 28, and also 1 admin, guys, okay? And also the way that you add your courses, guys, here on Skool, the way that you create your own community here on Skool, what you do, you go here to show community, you click here to create a community. This is where by that, guys, you can able to create your own community here on Skool, okay? Plus you can also click here to discover more communities that you want to join, okay? So when you click here to discover more communities, you can able to see some of the communities here, guys, okay, maybe that you want to join, guys, okay, for free, and some of them they are paid, guys, okay? Just keep that in mind, okay? As you can see that, okay, you can also learn here, guys, okay, a lot, okay? There's so many communities here, guys, okay? Plus you can also search the community that you want to join here, guys, okay? And what you can do here, you can also go to charts, okay? Under charts, this is where by guys you can able to talk to maybe one-on-one person, guys. You can do some charts here. If I click here to charts, okay, it's gonna be showing me some of the charts, guys, okay? Some of the information that I was talking to with these guys, okay? Now let's talk about the pricing plans of Skool. When you click the link down below in the description of this video, guys, okay, it's gonna give you 40 days free trial, guys, okay, to Skool. Because after that it's gonna be costing $99, guys, okay, per month, okay? So that was my tutorial video on how to use Skool. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp.